Ever wonder what happens when the past you can't remember comes knocking? In the latest Winx Club episode, Bloom is right in the thick of it, haunted by visions of her birth planet, Domino. She's desperate for answers, and this desperation makes her the perfect target. Enter the new teacher, Avalon. He seems to have all the answers, promising to unlock the secrets of her past. But is he really a guide? Or a wolf in sheep's clothing? Avalon uses his charm to pull Bloom deeper into his web, suggesting a dangerous ritual that could reveal everything she wants to know. He tells her it's the only way to connect with her roots, playing on her deepest desires and her feelings of being an outsider. Bloom, blinded by the hope of finally understanding who she is, starts to pull away from her best friends. The Winx girls can see something's off. Stella, Flora, Nusa, Tekna, and Layla try to warn her, noticing how distant and obsessive she's become. They sense that Avalon's influence isn't healthy, but Bloom won't listen. She's convinced they just don't understand her struggle. It's heartbreaking to watch because we know her friends only want what's best for her. And where there's trouble, you can bet the Trix aren't far behind. Icy, Darcy, and Stormy are lurking in the shadows, watching this whole drama unfold with glee. They see Bloom's emotional turmoil as the perfect opportunity to strike. Her weakness is their strength, and they're cooking up a plan to exploit the growing rift between Bloom and her friends. The stage is set for a major magical showdown. Just as things couldn't get more intense, a monster attacks. The specialists and the Winx leap into action, but this isn't just any random monster. During the chaos, Sky throws himself in front of Bloom to save her from a devastating blow. Seeing Sky risk his life for her snaps something in Bloom. It's a powerful, gut-wrenching moment that forces her to question everything. Could her friends have been right all along? Is her quest for the past blinding her to the dangers of the present? The battle is won, but the victory feels hollow. Sky's sacrifice has planted a seed of doubt in Bloom's mind about Avalon. Who is this mysterious teacher, really? And what is his true motive? The episode ends on a massive cliffhanger, leaving us all on the edge of our seats. The air is thick with tension, and you just know the storm is far from over. What secrets is Avalon hiding, and what will happen when Bloom finally confronts the truth? I can't wait to find out. What did you all think of this episode? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Winx Club breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.